I'm making caramelized oven roasted carrots from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. This is on Amazon. It's linked below. For this recipe, I need 3 cups sliced carrots, fresh or frozen. I'm using fresh. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic. I'm using the stuff in the jar. If you want to use fresh, go right ahead. I just want to use what makes my life the easiest, and this is it. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon dried parsley. You can use this if you want. It's optional. Now this recipe seems really easy. I've already preheated my oven to 400 degrees, got my carrots in a bowl, I've got my parchment lined sheet here, and we're just going to add the other things in here and toss them all together. 1 tablespoon olive oil, in it goes. 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley. We're just going to give it a quick toss to get everything coated. Your nutritional facts for this recipe are 82 kcal, 1 gram of protein, 5 grams of fat, 10 carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 41 milligrams of sodium. And that's per 1/2 cup serving. It looks like I have everything pretty well coated. I'm just going to toss it onto my pan here. I always scrape everything out because I want all the flavor to be in my food and not left behind in the bowl. I'm just going to spread it out into one layer, put it into my 400 degree oven and roast for 20 to 22 minutes. I'm going to stir it halfway through, cooking until the edges are lightly browned and the carrots are fork tender. There's my oven roasted caramelized carrots, and they smell really good. Let's give them a try. Fork tender. Really good. They still retain the carrot taste. You can taste the garlic in there. Check these out for yourself and make them next time you need a good, easy side dish. See you next time.